Mike's working away here on the cab. You can see he's got the front cab support mount in. There's the old rusted out ones down there. This against the 67 Merc crew cab. Finished off all the floor on this side. He's welding and making up the areas for this right now. Come around the back here. I think you've seen it before. Finished off the cab corner there. That cab corner's done. So, plugging away on that. Turning out good. I've been working on this old propane meter for a customer. Over here. So this is the base of it. Got her all blasted. It's going to go blue. It's the color the customer wants. I've polished up a couple pieces that were brass that go on it. Got the brass ring I polished up that actually holds the lens on. Another little piece here. And the main body of it that sits up top with the meter, Sean has got over in the body shop and he's prepping it for paint. Actually, I made a mistake here. Sorry guys. The main meter part is going to be blue. This is going to be painted a nickel color. Yeah. And actually there's the blue paint right there. There's the blue. You can kind of see it right there. Okay. So, head outside here and take a look what's going on. It's a nice beautiful sunny day here on this Tuesday. Again, there's the frame for the crew cab all painted up. All the parts finally arrived except for the leaf spring bushings. So I gotta go pick up the differential here on Wednesday or Thursday. The box is over here. Now the box and the tailgate have all been blocked and primed and blocked and primed again, and they are in final primer. And it's all sprayed underneath with our Raptor. And of course I did it first with our epoxy primer first. So the box is ready to go. Tailgate's all ready to go. So that's good. Looking very beautiful. If you remember this box, it was quite the roach. Sure is looking good now. Unreal. Sean does good work. Now Sean's working on the 67 Ford short box regular cab. That truck is going to be going down for paint next week, so he's getting it all prepped. He's going to be on it for a few days here. There we go. Oh yeah, he's in there. Oh, yeah, a lot of work. So he's almost got her all done in 600, ready to go. And then once what happens is, then we'll take it out of here, we'll blow it down every nook and cranny, blow it down really good, then we'll detail it and clean it from top to bottom, because you don't want to be doing that shit when it's home from paint. We'd sooner do it now. And again, we got the hood over here. Sean painted up the hood on the inside. Got it all ready. There we go. Looking beautiful. Looking real good. Little bug is right there. I was working on that a bit today too. I put the deck lid on here with Sean. We got our hood, whatever you want to call it. Fitting that on there. So we kind of fitted that. Tomorrow I'll come out here and fit the front fenders and the front trunk lid, or maybe you want to call that the hood, I don't know. The engine's actually in the back, so that should be the hood. So that's what's going on there. And, yeah. That's it. Oh. So that's what's happening. Got the drive shaft there for the crew cab. Actually, it was missing a weight. Started looking at the drive shaft, needs some U-joints. There was a weight missing off of it, actually. When I took it down, they went to balance it and that, and they said, oh, there's a weight missing here. So they fixed all that up, so that's good. Frame sure looks beautiful. Now, we didn't powder coat this. The frame's just painted. That's just paint. Sometimes we powder coat, sometimes we paint. It all depends on what the customer wants. Let the customer do whatever they want to do. It's their call. Everybody has their opinion about powder coating, and everybody has their opinion about paint. The nice thing of paint is when you get a mark or a scratch or something, you can touch it up. Powder coating is tougher, but when it gets a chip, you got to be careful, because sometimes it tends to chip away in hunks, which isn't nice, and it's hard to sand down and kind of do a repair on. or the paint, you can fix it, right? That's what's going on there. So, not too much to show you here. That's about it. Yeah, the Model A sitting in the background. Yeah. So, that's about it. So, what else to show you? It's a short little video today. It's the end of the day here on Tuesday. I had to think about that one. Been a busy last 2 days. Been real busy. So, that's about it. Thanks for watching. We're in February. That means it's almost time for a new Sunday Fun Day project. Yeah, but I'm not going to stop on my Model A. Still got a ways to go. I think it still might be on the Model A this Sunday, but the next one we might be on the new project. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. Anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing, guys. Tell all your friends. I appreciate it when you give the shouts out. Again, thanks to all them truckers out there. I'm going to mention it every time. Thanks to all you truckers. You know, got to get rid of that Prime Minister of ours. He's got to go. He's got to go. That's all there is to it. Anyway, hey, it's always a good time at old time. It was a short video, but it was a good one, right? See you later.